Hey guys, I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment, and today we're going to go over how to install our Drago GT mounting brackets with your Yetter Devastator. This is a newer item for us. Yetter offers a great Devastator, and we found a way to make it work on the Drago GTs, so we've got the kits for you. But I want to do a quick how-to on how to install these on your head. So on your Drago, you're going to get this big piece that's welded together. You're going to get 2 of these for every one of these plates, and you'll get 2 of these for every one, and you will get plenty of hardware, and we'll talk about all this shortly. So this big piece right here will bolt up to your head. So all these holes are already in your Drago GT head, and you'll hold that up to your head, and all of these bolts will go through there. On the back side of your head is where these plates go. So in order from the bracket up to your head, it will go this bracket and then your head, and then this piece comes in here on the back. You've got these 1/2 inch bolts, 2 washers per one with a lock nut, a washer on each side, and 6 of these bolts hold one of these brackets on. So you've got this one on the other side as well. So once you've got those bolted to your Drago GT, everything's fastened on there nice and firm and snug. Then this front plate is designed to hold our square tubing subframe. That is where these pieces and these bolts come in. There are 2 of these, like I said, for each one. They get bolted on right here on the front with these bolts to hold on this bracket. So you would put your square tubing up there and bolt it on using this hardware and these plates. What this square tubing does is it allows you to then bolt your Devastator to this square tubing. So we're creating a subframe underneath that Drago GT. So we've sold several of these, and we've had a lot of questions on how to install them. It's all right here in these brackets. You'll simply, each one of these is held on with 6 1/2 inch bolts. You'll use double washers on them, and then hold on your square tubing with those plates and these 5/8 bolts. So if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or give us a call, 419-953-8500. Thank you.